Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP continues to be a slow mover at the moment. Doesn't really care about Bitcoin at all at the moment. Yeah, so we've had obviously Bitcoin move up recently. XRP, well, didn't really follow much. I mean, it also had its small run here and then pulled back into this support zone that we had on the chart already weeks ago, actually a month ago. That worked out pretty nicely, actually. It did rally into our resistance area, reacted to the golden ratio here at 70.3 cents. Now the pullback, but just watching here for this potential wave 5 to form now. That's not high probability. I mean, if I had to assign it probabilities, it's absolutely subjective. I don't have a magic probabilities calculator with me, but if I had to give it probabilities, I'd say, 55-60% probability we get that fifth wave, and that leaves pretty high probability that we break through. I've mentioned it for a while that XRP likes to move in corrective patterns. XRP doesn't like so much the 5-wave movements, which will make it a pretty big thing if XRP can finally form a 5-wave pattern. So we're obviously watching for it. I'm leaning still towards it because of the general situation in the crypto market. But yeah, I would absolutely not be surprised if XRP breaks below support. So just note that, and I can only leave that with you. There is really not much more clarity we can get out of this chart. What I can tell you is that it's possible that XRP formed an A wave in wave 5, which is basically the first wave of that fifth wave. It has to be an ABC structure we're tracking because the fifth wave is a correction. That's the case because the whole 5-wave move is a leading diagonal or a diagonal at best. So it's not an impulse, so we have to be a bit flexible. So basically watching for signals that this C wave could have started. At the moment, there is absolutely no such signal. We might get a little bit of clarity as soon as we break above this previous high at 64.5 cents. It's this swing high, this swing high. It's just the last swing high, basically, okay? So that if that level is taken out, it would at least give us some indication that the C wave has started. But what's currently happening down there in the support area isn't really motivating, or doesn't really show much motivation that the price actually wants to try it. Sorry. So yeah, we have to remain patient. XRP just continues to move in corrective structures. Also here, that rally was a 3-wave move, an ABC structure. Therefore, it fits well into the whole pattern as an A wave. Okay, so it's not bearish necessarily, but also doesn't give us very much clarity that this C wave has already started. You see how relevant the support area is, however. I mean, it's dancing on that 50% FIB level. And ideally, I'd like to avoid a break below 59 cents. Okay, in the worst case, but it would reset wave 4 then, I would be okay with a pullback to 56 cents. But below that level, we have to look for alternative wave counts. There is, of course, the directly bearish one, in which we are basically here in a WXY structure, and the move down would be a Y wave. And after that, we can look at higher prices, but I would only put that onto the chart as an alternative bullish count. ABC in wave A. This here is a B wave pullback, A, B, C. And we can still find some support somewhere down here, around 50 cents. That would be a B wave. And then we can rally in a C wave higher. But that would again just be a larger ABC structure. It would not form 5 waves. It would just be a larger ABC. So in terms of trade setup then, it will probably be this 1-2 setup in wave C that could be interesting potentially. Yeah. But until then, we have to be a little bit patient. First of all, see that, or if the 56 cent level is holding. Again, it's not super high probability. Would not be surprised at all if that support level breaks. Also, just because there's absolutely no momentum at the moment to the upside, so it's very, very slow. But again, you know, XRP can turn around at an instant. It's more important than the actual structure in the correction is sort of the fact that support is holding. So yeah, just patience, okay, patience. And that C wave, I mean, if it starts from here, I'd probably be looking at a potential target for wave C that should actually take us to, I would say, 78 cents, 82 cents. Yeah, they would be the next targets to watch. So yeah, patience. So can't really add anything else. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.